Computer science videos here today to show you guys in a tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 28, encrypting your presentation. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application, Microsoft PowerPoint. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock, go to Finder, navigate to the OneDrive folder, locate the file work.pptx. Double click on this. Let's just wait for that to load. In the meantime, we can minimize Finder for the moment. And now the purpose of this tutorial is to encrypt the presentation. And how do we do that? Let's go to the top navigation menu where we see PowerPoint, File, go to Passwords, and Password to open. Encrypt this presentation and require a password to open. We could do that. Let's create a new password. Before we move on, it says here lost passwords can't be recovered. Passwords are case sensitive. That's fine. So let's just make up the most basic password for the purpose of this tutorial. We will look to remove the password once everything is done and in working order. Let's now set the password. Click on OK. Let's now quit PowerPoint. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go back to Finder. And as you can see, we now have a lock on work.pptx. If we double click on this, it will prompt us to open up a password. If we can open up the presentation, yes we can. Let's type in the password. There we go. The password has been used to open up the encrypted Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So we can now quit PowerPoint, quit Finder, go to the dock just to check there's nothing open. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.